Caltrans' mission statement is to provide a safe, sustainable, integrated, and efficient transportation system that enhances California's economy and livability. If there ever was one asset that delivers on every aspect of that mission statement, it would be the Caldecott Tunnel here in the Bay Area that serves over 100,000 vehicles coming in and out of the area every day. My name is Bart Ney, and tonight we're going to take you on a tour of how Caltrans maintains this very important asset.
Well, we're here tonight to do a biennial inspection of the Caldecott Bore 4. And while we're doing this inspection, we're also going to have our maintenance crews in the tunnel doing maintenance that they can't normally do during the daytime or at night when the tunnel is still has traffic. For maintenance, we're looking at lighting, we're looking at cleaning and making sure that all of our egress signs for safety and exit are operational. And a special thing that we're doing tonight is we're doing a tunnel washing of the tunnel. And so we do that quarterly. As you drive through the tunnel, soot gets all over the walls, and so we try to keep it clean. When it's done, it's a big difference.
As part of Caltrans' public outreach efforts, a CBS radio reporter observed the inspection with the team.
You know, as a reporter, we deal with these stories all the time, transportation stories, but to actually see all of this up close is incredible. But one thing that actually stuck out to me was the crossway pathway for somebody who needs safety. If there's a fire or any other sort of hazard, that's something that a lot of drivers probably don't know about. What I didn't expect is all the noise that's in here, even when there's not traveling cars.
It feels great being out here. I think all district directors should get out and meet with their maintenance and construction folks, getting out in the field and talking to them. Their safety and the safety of the traveling public is very important to me. I wanted to come out here and meet with them, see what they're doing, and get a better understanding, and just to ensure that what they're inspecting tonight, how they're cleaning the tunnels, that we're making this infrastructure safer for the community and the commuters that are using it every day.
Caltrans continues our efforts to maintain our state's highways, tunnels, and bridges. I'm Bart Ney. Thanks for watching.